Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to paint grass in Procreate. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will explain every step in a simple way. So let's get started. I have selected three colors, base, mid-tone and dark. And also I'm using grass dye brush and studio pen. As you can see, first I have selected the base color. For the base, just draw a random shape with a dab brush. Then select the mid-tone and slightly don't cover the full area. Just paint in the middle, select the dark one and cover the bottom area. Now select the blender. Now here I'm using soft blender to blend each shades, not whole shape, just I'm blending between the shapes to cover the paint, as you can see. Now we'll select the studio pen. Here I'm drawing a grass and between the shades and around the areas. So in the top I have selected the same color. As you can see, I'm just selecting by pressing that area. You can change the colors like this and just draw all over again. For the darker areas, just select the dark color and draw the grasses. Not just thick lines, it should be uneven, not straight line as well. Now start with the straight line. When you start doing straight lines, it feels like this is not the outcome, but once you did the shade changes, you will see a realistic grass look. So these different shades give depth and make the grass look realistic. So leave some dark areas visible and start to the straight line. And also for the middle one, mid-tone area, select the same color and don't do the straight line from the bottom, darker area. Just do it from the middle, as you can see. And also it should be not too straight when you are doing in the mid area. It should be slightly curved. It should be like a wavy look. And also do the same for the top area also. See, select the same color and also adjust your brush size and start doing the straight lines, straight strokes, whatever it is. So these simple steps make a big difference. You need to change the color. For initially for the base, I have selected the darker color, and then took I have taken the base color. Then again on the top of the base color, I have chosen the mid tone. Here you can see now I'm working on a mid tone color for the base. So the same way you have to choose the right color when you are working on the areas. For the topper one, I have selected, I have adjusted the brush size again. You can see this is the dark one. So here I'm just highlighting or doing some extra strokes, as you can see. Again, I will take the mid tone. I will put a few more strokes to see the big difference. If any area looks empty, add a few more grass strokes. You can also erase a few strokes if it looks crowded. A small adjustments always improve the final results. So I'm just covering all the areas with my darker color. So you can see, I'm just not doing straight line, I'm just doing curve. Now I have taken the mid color, I have adjusted my brush size from bigger to small. As you can see, I'm adjusting my brush size every time. And also, a grass should not look in the same length. Keep changing the length for each stroke. Some can be short and some can be tall. Also, change the direction a little. This makes the grass look more real. Take your time here and adjust the changes. Now, let's go with detailing. Here, I have taken a studio pen for the flowers and selected the white color. As you can see, just do 5 leaves, 7 petals, or anything. For bud, I am doing 3 petals. For bigger one, I am doing sometimes 5, sometimes 8 petals. Just do a tiny flowers and mm, don't put everything in a group. Just do it randomly. And also for detailing to the flower, select black or yellow. That gives more realistic. So for tiny bird, you can select yellow and add tiny flowers on the grass. Just draw here and there. Don't place too many flowers. A few flowers make the grass look fresh and natural. Mm, I hope this tutorial is perfect for beginners. So don't worry if you are just started your digital art journey. Just follow along. By end of this video, you will be able to create this grass easily, and let me know in the comments if it's easy. For flower detailing, don't keep the flowers in the same size. Now select the blending tool to blend the base grass strokes. I'm using soft blend brush to blend this area, and also let me know if you need a brush tutorial. I will post it. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.